Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Friday morning, December 27, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Thursday, December 26, 2024. Benchmark indices Nifty and the Sensex ended near the flat line, giving up early gains due to a lack of significant triggers and subdued activity in the year-end holiday season. Thin trading volumes and pressures from the final monthly F&O further kept the cautious sentiment intact on December 26. Benchmark equity indices, the BSE Sensex and the Nifty 50 ended Thursday's choppy session on a flat note. The 30 share Sensex settled at 78,472, down marginally by 0.39 points. Similarly, on the NSE, the Nifty 50 settled at 23,750, up 23 points or 0.1% from its previous close on Thursday. 31 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in the green, led by Adani Ports, Shriram Finance, Mahindra & Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki India, and SBI Life Insurance Company. Conversely, Titan, Asian Paints, Grasim, JSW Steel, Nestle, and Tata Consumer Products were among the 18 stocks that ended in the red. Notably, Infosys were the only constant stock of the Nifty 50 that ended on a flat note. Among the broader markets, the Nifty Mid Cap 100 ended higher by 0.12%, while the Nifty Small Cap 100 ended down by merely 0.02%. The Mid Cap 100 and the Small Cap 100 indices have fallen just 5% in the last 3 months. Nifty, on the other hand, has tanked nearly 10%. Sectoral indices, on the other hand, ended on the mixed note. Nifty Auto, Pharma, Financials, PSU Bank, Realty, and Healthcare indices ended higher. In contrast, FMCG, IT, Metal, Private Bank, and Media were among the sectoral indices that ended in the red. Auto stocks extended their gains for the second consecutive session, with Maruti Suzuki, M&M, and Tata Motors leading the charge. M&M and Maruti Suzuki rose after Motilal Oswal picked the two as their preferred bets from the sector. Nifty, PSU Bank, and Private Bank indices paired losses to end slightly higher. Nifty Metal and Realty, down for the majority of the session, recovered to end in the green. Nifty FMCG and Media Index fell up to 0.4%. Losses in HUL, ITC, and Tata Consumer Products dragged the index down. Among individual stocks, Godfrey Phillips shares rose nearly 7%, rebounding from a 7-day fall after the board approved the appointment of Siddhartha Chawla as the Chief Operating Officer, COO. Former ITC veteran Chawla's tenure will commence on January 7, 2025. Siddhartha Chawla stepped down from ITC as the Business North India head in 2019. EPAC durable stock gained 5% following a clarification on a media report on plans for a Chinese television manufacturer to invest in EPAC Durables' wholly owned subsidiary. In an exchange filing on December 24, the company said that the discussions are currently in a preliminary stage and that an update will be provided to the exchanges as and when required. Shares of NTPC Green Energy tumbled over 4% on December 26 as the 1-month lock-in period for anchor investors expired yesterday. Following the lock-in period, as many as 1.83 crore shares of NTPC Green Energy, or a 2% stake in the company, became eligible to trade, opening the doors for anchor investors to go ahead and offload 50% of their holdings in the stock if they wish to do so. India VIX, which is the barometer to assess market anxiety, flared up over 6% on December 26 to cross the 14 levels again. Meanwhile, in the US on Thursday, in a light volume traded session, the three major indexes ended on the flat line. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended edged up just 0.04% to 43,325. The S&P 500 was off 0.02% to 6,037, and the Nasdaq Composite was about dead flat at 20,020. Brent crude is $73.25 a barrel. Gold is rupees 77.70 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 89,780 per kilogram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market. This week, the Nifty has traded in a narrow range of 300 points, showing no clear direction. For the last 3 days, index struggled near the 23,870 level on the upside, while finding support around 23,600 on the downside. This tug of war between bulls and the bears led to the formation of a multiple doji candles and inside bars on the daily chart indicating indecision. Nifty is hovering near its 200-day EMA and trading below its short-term moving averages as well. On the weekly chart, the index has formed a doji candle indicating support-based buying, but with limited upside potential. Stocks to watch out today. DAM Capital, Transrail Lighting, Gensol, PowerMac, SKF India, Aarti Pharma Labs, IndusInd Bank, Gensol Engineering, NHPC, Gujarat Fluorochemicals, HMA Agro Industries, Dixon Technologies, RBL Bank, Dhani Services, Lemon Tree Hotels, EPAC Durable, One Mobi Quick Systems, SG Mart, Sanatan Textiles, and Concord Environ Systems will be in focus on December 27. Markets experts anticipate that indices will continue to consolidate within a narrow range for the remainder of the year as the absence of significant positive or negative triggers limit movement. With most catalysts already priced in, the third quarter earnings season and the upcoming union budget are expected to set the tone for the next market trajectory. In addition to persistent foreign institutional investor FII selling, factors like rising bond yields and a strengthening dollar index could dampen sentiment further. That's it for today, my friends. I will see you again on Monday morning. Have a great weekend. In the meantime, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.